Welcome, aspiring graphic designers. You're watching the Libra Draws channel. In today's video, we'll explore all the essential tools and materials you'll need, organized from the easiest to acquire to the most expensive. So with me, Libra, get your notepad ready. First, and this is the easiest one, sketchbooks and writing tools. Seriously, this is super important. Design ideas can pop up anytime, anywhere. So, always have a sketchbook ready to jot down ideas, rough sketches, or even typography practice. For sketchbooks, choose one with thicker paper to prevent tearing and to avoid bleed-through to the back of the page, like 120 GSM HVS paper or watercolor paper for a more artistic result. The recommended pencil type is graphite pencils with varying thicknesses, such as 2B for initial sketches and 4B for details. Don't forget to also have gel pens or permanent markers to add bold lines to your sketches. Interestingly, I even started with used paper that I brought from the office, paper from documents that are no longer in use. The price range for sketchbooks is between $2 to $7, while pencils and pens can be obtained starting from 30 cents to $1.50 per item. This is the cheapest investment, but has a huge impact. Next, equally important, stable internet access. In this digital age, the internet is everything. You need the internet for learning. Thousands of free tutorials are available online. From Photoshop to Illustrator, it's all there. Inspiration, Pinterest, Behance, Dribbble, endless sources of inspiration. Communication. Communicate with clients, collaborators, and fellow designers. So make sure your internet connection is smooth. Now let's move on to software. And the good news is, you can start with free graphic design software. There's GIMP for Photoshop alternative, Inkscape as Illustrator alternative, and even Canva, which is super user-friendly for simpler designs. This is a perfect choice for beginners who want to try things out before investing in paid software. Now, let's talk about hardware. The most crucial thing to have is a decent computer or laptop. You don't need something super advanced at first. But make sure you have specifications that are sufficient to run your design software, such as processor, at least Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, RAM memory, at least 8 GB, better if 16 GB, storage, at least 256 SSD, display at least Full HD. Price range for desktop is $300 to $700, and for laptop about $350 to $700. For myself, I still using the old Acer Nitro 5. I've been using it since around 2020 or 2021. The point is, if you think you have a decent PC or laptop, just use it. You can upgrade it later on. After the computer laptop, let's talk about additional hardware. This is optional, but it will be very helpful. Monitor. A monitor with an IPS panel will provide more accurate colors. Price range, $100 to $350. Graphics tablet. Very helpful for more artistic and natural designs. Price range, $50 to $200. Printer. For printing portfolios or proofs. Price range, $30 to $150. Scanner. For digitizing sketches or physical drawings. Price range, $20 to $100. You can also add a digital camera for photography and video, a tablet PC, either Android or Apple, to make it easier to move around so you can work anywhere, and it can also be used as your walking gallery. If you have more budget on your wallet, you can consider investing in these items. Finally, let's discuss paid software. Adobe Creative Cloud is the industry standard. Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are the main tools for professional graphic designers. However, there are also other applications worth considering, such as CorelDRAW for vector design, Affinity Designer as a more affordable alternative, and Sketch, which is popular among UI/UX designers. Additionally, there's also Canva Pro for simpler graphic design and Figma for web-based design collaboration. This is a significant investment, but worth it for the quality and features offered. For Adobe Creative Cloud, the monthly subscription cost ranges from $10 to $60, while for other applications like Affinity Designer, you only need to pay around $30 once for a lifetime license. Before we wrap up, here are some tips. Start with the basics. You don't need to buy everything at once. Take advantage of online tutorials. There are tons of free learning resources on the internet, and start to build portfolio. This is key to getting clients. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who also aspire to be graphic designers. Feel free to comment if you have any questions or additional suggestions. See you in the next video.